Geography quiz. You can drive across this entire country in under 12 hours. Belgium, Japan, or Brazil? A. Belgium. You're looking at a country with no official capital city, Monaco, Nauru, or Malta. B. Nauru. This country sits on two continents at once, Egypt, Turkey, or Spain. B. Turkey. Recognize this flag, Luxembourg, Croatia, or Netherlands. Netherlands, you're standing at the southern tip of the United States, Florida, Hawaii, or California. Hawaii. Feeling confident? Give a like. This capital is closest to the equator, Quito, Nairobi, or Jakarta. A. Quito. One of these countries has no coastline, Cambodia, Laos, or Vietnam. B. Laos. You've definitely seen this landmark. Where is it? India, Jordan, or Egypt? A. India. This island country is north of Australia, Fiji, Tonga, or Papua New Guinea. C. Papua New Guinea. Which of these does not use red in their flag? France, Sweden, or Spain? B. Sweden. You're already 10 questions in. You're traveling by land from China. Which can't you reach directly? Nepal, Vietnam, or Philippines? C. Philippines. This shape belongs to which country? Chile, Argentina, or Norway? A. Argentina. Which country stretches closest to the North Pole? Canada, Russia, or Finland? A. Canada. Two border Greenland. Which one does not? Canada, the United States, or Iceland? B. The United States. Which doesn't belong in Central America, Honduras, Belize, or Mexico? Mexico. Recognize this country by its outline: Greece, Italy, or Spain. Spain. Which South American country does not border Brazil? Suriname, Ecuador, or Bolivia? B. Ecuador. You're looking at Germany. Which country doesn't touch it? Portugal, Poland, or Austria? A. Portugal. Only one of these sits entirely in the southern hemisphere: Kenya, Peru, or Indonesia. B. Peru. Think you know this flag? Austria, Latvia, or Denmark? C. Denmark. You've made it halfway. Great job. This river runs through the most capital cities: Danube, Rhine, or Nile. A. Danube. Which capital city is named after the US President James Monroe? Monrovia, Freetown, or Yamoussoukro? A. Monrovia. From Spain, which country can't you drive to? France, Morocco, or Italy? B. Morocco. Recognize this flag: Kuwait, India, or Jordan? A. Kuwait. This ancient city was buried by a volcanic eruption: Pompeii, Athens, or Petra? Pompeii. What country has the lowest average elevation? Egypt, Lebanon, or the Maldives? C. The Maldives. Which of these is located in Africa? Peru, Ghana, or Oman? B. Ghana. Recognize this map shape: Japan, Philippines, or Indonesia? C. Indonesia. What present-day Italian city does Mount Vesuvius overlook? Naples, Salerno, or Bari? Naples. This waterfall system spans Zambia and Zimbabwe: Victoria Falls, Niagara Falls, or Angel Falls? A. Victoria Falls. 10 questions left. You got this. This sea borders both Europe and Asia: Black Sea, Baltic Sea, or Red Sea? A. Black Sea. You're at Austria's southern border. What country lies directly ahead? Italy, Hungary, or Slovakia? A. Italy. This peak is the highest in Europe: Mont Blanc, Elbrus, or Matterhorn? B. Elbrus. Which country is home to the world's smallest temple complex? Bhutan, Sri Lanka, or China? C. China. This is the widest waterfall system on Earth: Iguazu Falls, Niagara Falls, or Victoria Falls? Iguazu Falls. This narrow waterway separates Europe and Africa: Suez Canal, Bosporus, or Strait of Gibraltar? Strait of Gibraltar. Which rural location in China is often called the Village of Dwarfs? Yangtze, Dali, or Chongqing? It's A. Yangtze. Identify the country based on its flag symbol: Guatemala, Belize, or Honduras? B. Belize. Which country is known as the cockpit of Europe? Belgium, Switzerland, or Austria? It's A. Belgium. Sits at high elevation and is called the Mile High City: Salt Lake City, Denver, or Phoenix? B. Denver. Bonus question. This U.S. state produces the most oil: Texas, Alaska, or North Dakota? Comment your guess and remember to subscribe to stay Quizmar smart.